In this video, I share what I feel is the best side hustle for the uncertain economy of today. It's a simple way you can create a full-time income in just minutes a day in your spare time. I work this side hustle myself. It has been my #1 recommended income stream for over 4 years now. Anyone can copy what I do. No experience is necessary, so stick with me till the end and I'll explain exactly what to do. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm a full-time side hustler. I haven't worked a real job in years. The money, it can be great. We never worry. But what my wife Barbara and I really like is the time freedom. I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, and I make money while I'm doing it. Recently, I posted a video on how to create your dream lifestyle in 30 minutes a day. I'll put a link to it up here so you can check it out. If you are like most people today, you find that the current economy, it's uncertain at best. People across all income levels are deeply concerned. Whether you are a middle-class working person trying to raise a family, a high-income level professional, or retired or approaching retirement, times are scary. The markets are up and down a lot. Policies seem to be constantly changing. And then the ongoing talk about economic slowdown or recession. Almost everyone is feeling concerned. I don't think anything is for certain anymore. If you are ready to protect yourself from the uncertain economy and start making more money, here is what I suggest. You can start making money within minutes of when this video ends. It's a simple online side hustle in what's called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing just means you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. I've done it for years. It is my favorite business model. You can make significant daily income and long-term passive income too. It takes minimal time at your convenience. You can do it around everything else in life. This is ideal for busy people. And while there are all kinds of affiliate marketing offers to promote, I recommend one in particular. It's what I do. I promote a company with 4 high-demand digital products, things people are looking for every day. They practically sell themselves. These 4 products range in price from $10 to $1,000, and the company pays us 80% commissions on each sale. That means you can make as much as $800 on a single sale. That can add up fast. And on 3 of the products, you get paid passive or recurring income too. That's money that can keep coming in month after month without any additional effort. I love that. You will have your own online marketing system to automate the process and leverage your time. And since this business is all done online, you can do it from wherever you want to be. I even do it while I'm out sailing. And you can put that time in whenever you want, even if it's at 3 in the morning. No previous experience is needed. Anyone can do this. It's super affordable. We have terrific training. We hold daily live Zoom calls 6 times a week, and they are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. We have a great training website with dozens of how-to videos. I love our Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. It's a great online community. And when we team up, I will be your personal mentor and coach. Nothing will be left to chance. I will show you how you can build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. To learn more about this best side hustle for the uncertain economy and to start making more money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.